Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, it's not gonna be a vlog. It's not vlog 10. Yep, do that one later today. And guess what this is, guys? I'll just tell you right now. It's called an Oreo ball. These are really good. I need to talk about my friend's channel. It's called Ben. Bushcraft Ben. Go and check it out. His profile is like a wolf and stuff. It's white and it's black. And it has like a wolf. So yeah, it's like 7:30 in the morning. Oh, I am just go and check out our channel. Sorry about that. Just go and check out the channel. If you watch this, I put his his channel in the link down below. So you, sorry, it's stuck in my teeth. So yeah, he's a really nice guy. Go and check him out. He's like the survivalist. Well, and stuff. Go and get him 40 subscribers. If you want. So that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching. I'll be back with the vlog today.